Hi, Christoph. How you doing?
Fine.
Today we are having a barbecue with Christoph's family. Christoph got this brilliant idea to grill a gigantic lamb leg. And here it is. On the rotisserie. It smoked for about 4 hours, and now it's grilling. Did I get that right?
Kinda.
Okay.
Kinda right, kinda wrong, who cares? Because you are always right, so...
At least you got that part right.
Yup. I'm learning quite fast, you know.
Adios.